How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Keystone Hideout 186 SS. Now the SS is going to stand for Super Slide, and we're going to start at our pass-through storage right here. It goes all the way through, and then taking a step back, you can see the massive awning on this little guy. You do have an LED light strip underneath, as well as a hanging step underneath your entry door and a grab handle to the left of that. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that this camper is single axle. And if we move our way to the back, you do have backup camera prep, as well as your spare tire. Moving to the driver's side, on the corner here, you are going to find your 30 amp power cord plug-in, as well as your one slide out. Moving forward, we're going to run into your water heater, as well as the other side of your pass-through storage. And then at the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to find your battery box, propane tank, and your manual tongue jack. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper, we're going to start at the very front. So this is a queen size bed. It is east to west. You do have a wardrobe and chargers and outlets on the right hand side. And then moving to your slide out, you have your couch and your dinette. Both do fold into beds in case you do have some late night stragglers. Across from your slide out, you are going to find your kitchen. So on the end here, you're going to find your heat and AC controls, as well as your control panel. You do have a single basin sink in here, as well as a 2-burner cooktop, microwave above all of that, and then your oversized 12-volt refrigerator next to that. At the back wall of this travel trailer, you have a lot of storage, as well as a TV backer if you'd like to put a TV there. And then on the left, we have your bathroom. So this is a pretty good sized shower for this small of a camper. Nice skylight above to give you a little bit of extra headroom. Sink, storage, and then toilet down below. All right, guys, this is going to be your Keystone Hideout 186 SS. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Couch and your dinette both do fold into beds in case you do have some late night stragglers. Across from your slide out, you are going to find your kitchen. So on the end here,